Good morning, everyone. It's Mrs. Gershon here. We're going to be looking at some different ways to make our O sound this week. Continuing our work with those vowels, but these are kind of spellings and sounds that our vowels make that are not usual. Thinking of the letter O and the sound O makes, normally we're saying O as in long O or ah as in short O. Today, you're actually going to be hearing the long O sound, O, but you're also going to be hearing the sound oi. And oi, with the spellings of OI and OY, like you see at the top, as our headers. And thinking about the words like boy that we have here with the OY, and then we have point. In both of those, you're hearing the oi sound. We do have some words here that have the O in it, but they're not making oi or the short O sound, ah. They're making the long O sound, O. So we're going to go through our words, and we'll talk about the different ways that we can sort those. So let's start by reading our words together. In our first column, we have point, noise, join, foil, boil, coin, choke, choice. Then we have whole, soy, coil, moist, toy, broil, oil, and loan. A loan being somebody lends you something like money or clothes. They're giving you a loan. And then we have the word soil, spoil, joy, joint, voice, cloak, stole, and bowl. I'm looking at the word cloak right now. It's kind of like something that you drape over your shoulders to keep you warm. Also joint. We have joints in our bodies where our bones connect. We also it's kind of like joining forces as well. Thinking about it in terms of like a joint effort. We worked as a joint effort on our science project, so working together with someone else. So let's start by going through and picking out our oi sound with the spelling of oi. You have the word noise. Now this one's interesting because it has an E on the end. So you might be thinking we have to say nose, making the long O sound, but it's not. With that oi, you're hearing the oi. Noise, join, foil, boil, coin. Second column, I'm finding coil, meaning like a snake can coil their body. They can kind of go around and around and around. Moist, broil, that's something that your oven can do. It can broil food. Oil, soil, spoil, joint, voice. Again, voice has an E on the end there, so be careful of that one. I think those are all of our oi sounds with OI. Oi can also be made with OY, like in the word boy. I'm looking through nothing in our first column, really. Second column, soy, toy, joy. And I think that's it for oi sounds with OY. Noticing all of those are at the ends of the word. That might be a way that you can remember for your spelling test this week and beyond. Oi sounds that have OY tend to come at the end, where oi sounds that are in the middle of the word tend to be spelled with OI. And then we have our long O sounds, hearing O when we say our words. Now there's a couple different ways they're spelling these. They're putting an E on the end, and also they're doing vowels teaming up in the middle. You also have the word bowl, third column all the way at the bottom. You are hearing that long O sound, O, bowl. So back to our first column, I have choke, vowel, consonant, E. Oh, we forgot choice with our OI. Then we have whole up at the top, O, consonant, E. We have lone, there's your double vowel, vowel, vowel. When two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. We have that in lone and cloak. And then stole is back to O, consonant, E. That's it for this week. If you have any questions about the meanings of the words, please pop your hand up. I'd be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to get your words cut out, get your sort going, and as soon as that's done, you get to start your homework. Happy sorting!